Good morning, motherfuckers. It's time for English lessons. Woo! I'm just waking up. Literally just woke up. Today, I'm going to talk about this. I just gave you the finger, but that's the most common way. I gave you the finger, but I flipped you off, blah, 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 blah. Here's the one I want to concentrate on. I just flipped you the bird. Ready? TPR, baby. Flip the bird. Flip the bird. Do the motion at the same time, you'll remember it. Flip the bird. And here's one more thing that's really funny. I just got back from vacation. I brought you a present. Ooh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh. Here it is.